Having trouble with your Samsung Galaxy phone not receiving calls? In this video, we'll offer multiple solutions to resolve this issue. Let's get started. Firstly, try enabling and disabling airplane mode on your smartphone. Swipe down on your Samsung's home screen and enable airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds and then disable it. Next, check if you've enabled Do Not Disturb on your phone. If it's enabled, you won't be able to receive calls. Swipe down to access the Quick Settings menu and disable Do Not Disturb. If Do Not Disturb has already been disabled on your Samsung Galaxy phone, try turning off 5G. While 5G generally provides high-speed internet, it can be unreliable in certain areas. To disable 5G, go to Settings. Navigate to Connections and tap on Mobile Networks. Then tap on Network Mode and select LTE 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. On the contrary, clearing the phone app cache should do the trick. Press and hold the phone app icon and tap on the eye icon. Go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, if none of these fixes work, try resetting network settings. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit, and tap on General Management. Select Reset, then tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. These remedies will undoubtedly aid you in receiving phone calls on your Samsung Galaxy. Now, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos tailored specifically for you.